Coming up, boat life is always a delicate balance of work and play, and we're doing both. A little maintenance, and then we're off to explore the capital city of Santo Domingo. She's half a century old, and she's taking us on the wildest adventure of our lives. 5 years ago, we chose simple, not easy, experiences, not wealth, human connection, not possessions. Guided by faith, not fear, we can't wait to see where this journey takes us. Hey guys, we're back this week coming to you from Luperon, Dominican Republic. We've settled in here to wait out the worst of hurricane season, do some boat maintenance, and of course, do some exploring.
Chrome.
We serviced these winches before we left Texas almost a year ago, but they've seen a lot of salt since then, and this project is overdue. The main purpose here is to clean and inspect each piece, lubricate everything inside, and replace the pawls and springs as needed. So we've talked about maybe putting like teak pads under these that are at an angle, because we've looked at other vessels and seen that for one thing, but a bigger reason is because we're experiencing ourselves that we get overrides. And it seems like the way that the angle that the jib sheet comes and enters the winch is not right. It just wants to pull up and override. So
what I'm seeing here is like the sheet comes, instead of coming down here, it's like coming like this. Mm-hmm. So we need a teak pad under it, I think.
Those look super salty. Those did not look like that when I opened them up last time.
This?
Yeah, like all the green and like all that. They need lots of grease.
Bearings are dry too.
All right, so we're gonna bring this down below and give it a full
service.
Over. All those gears, the way they're stacked and everything, like you have to pay attention to how you disassemble them, because it's a puzzle.
So we should take a picture.
Yeah. But you want me to find a video?
Not till I screw it up.
Everything is cleaned and greased, almost ready to go back together, which that is the tricky part, the going back together part.
I'm gonna put the pawls in there.
With the new springs. So these guys are the biggest bugger with the winch servicing, because they have these little springs that you have to squeeze while you put them in, and they want to fly across the room. There we go. Okay, so then
the way they do this, I think, is build it upside down, and then you can put the cover, you can put the top on, and line these up. Bingo. I've been packing bearings my whole life as a mill wrap. See how you like get your little shot of it and push it up to the center. You see how like dirty grease comes out after we see right here.
All clean and greased.
Let's try it.
sounds a lot better. Now on to the next one, which doesn't look as bad, but it doesn't look very good either, so. Round two.
Round two. Be a good girl, Liberty.
For 600 pesos each, we're taking a bus to the capital city of Santo Domingo. This allows us to save some money, but we also get the benefit of getting to relax and enjoy the ride instead of fussing with a car rental and trying to navigate through the mountains with spotty cell service. Welcome to Santo Domingo, the oldest city in the New World. Founded in 1496, this is where European life in the Americas began. And 5 centuries later, it's still full of energy, color, and life. We're staying here at the Hotel Palacio in the old part of the city. Santo Domingo's colonial zone is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, home to the first cathedral, first university, and even this. So this is the very first paved road in all of the Americas.
I don't think it's the original brick, do you?
I don't think so. This city was once Spain's Caribbean stronghold. The Fortaleza Osama still guards the river, and the National Pantheon honors the country's heroes. All reminders that this place has seen revolutions, pirates, and rebirth. We even got hands-on at a local cacao workshop, turning Dominican cocoa beans into chocolate bars from scratch.
I don't know, everything. Yeah.
Like any big city, there's art and shopping here. But Santo Domingo also has this. This is Mama Juana. Part rum, part wine, part honey, and part mystery. Dominicans swear by it for everything from sore throats to even romance. It's sort of like the island's all-purpose medicine. Yeah.
It tastes like champion.
Tastes like La Fuerza. Tonight we're splurging a bit and having dinner in El Mesón de la Cava, an actual Taino cave. Fantastic food and definitely a unique experience. Sunday nights in the Old City offer free live music by the Old Monastery. There's bars and restaurants lining the square, and locals have set up their own carts selling snacks and cocktails. The people we met were friendly, open, and eager to share their culture with us. And we were just as happy to be a part of it all. We have one more stop before we head back to Luperon. After 5 months of sailing charters in San Juan, telling tourists about the second oldest church in the Western Hemisphere, it's time for us to see the church that started it all. Built in 1514 almost entirely from coral limestone, you can see fossilized marine life embedded in the stone. A beautiful place to end our stay in Santo Domingo. One thing we can say about the DR is you've got to be brave to drive here, and we are pretty happy to be Ubering and busing it back to Luperon as passengers.
San Domingo is not dangerous.
I don't know, I think it was pretty dangerous. We just stayed in the safe parts. It looked pretty sketch in a lot of spots, but it was really fun, really interesting. Santo Domingo surprised us. After everything we'd heard about the city, we realized you really have to see it firsthand and judge it for yourself. On our next episode, we're kicking it right here in Luperon to show you the good, the bad, and the ugly of the best hurricane hole in the Caribbean.
Look at the bees coming in and out. Buku's the bees.
What just happened? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Go, 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 go. Like the video? Find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Patreon. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep up with all of our adventures.
Hacemos merengue.